Alright, so another question, ito, how to navigate situationship. Hindi kayo, pero parang kayo, ano to, mystery box? Sige, Hazel, can you explain to us what is situationship?
Situationship kasi is dumaan na yun sa napakadaming name change eh. Dati parang nung panahon natin, 20, 30, 90s MU. Tapos naging pseudo relationship. And then ngayon naging situationship. Basically, it's still a relationship na wala lang kayong label. You do everything together pero wala kayong label. And for some reason, the other person or ikaw mismo, meron mga bagay na nag-hold back sa'yo for you to commit. So, why do you think na, lalo na sa era natin ngayon lalo dito sa information age, parang mas madaming hirap mag-commit?
Ako talaga tinanong, no? Committed na. Bakit mahirap mag-commit? Kasi hindi ka pa ready. Yun naman talaga yun. Kumbaga, hindi ka pa ready na ibigay fully yung sarili mo sa isang tao lang. Yun.
Yeah, siguro may theory na naman ako dyan.
Go.
It's just yung sinasabi nilang paradox of choice. So recently, may nabago yung dating scene natin where because of dating apps, we can just choose anyone. Tapos parang if this person does not check the box on your list, parang automatically you skip to the next one, you swipe left, ganyan, di ba? Until you find the match. So feeling ko, it could be one of the reasons why people don't really commit and they would just, try to test the waters first before really diving into a full relationship kasi they have choice. They have many choices. And the thing about the paradox of choice is that the more choices you have, actually, the harder for you to decide and to be happy sa choice mo.
Parang sa Netflix, no? Sabi mo, manood tayo movie. Tapos pag naka-open na yung Netflix, ang daming movie.
Right!
Diba? Parang ganon.
Naalala ko dyan buffet eh. Kasi ako, pag nagbo-buffet, alam mo yung sa sobrang dami mong choices, parang napaparalyze ka na, ano lang kakainin mo, tapos nagkakaroon ka ng fear na parang, ay baka hindi, yung una kong makain, hindi siya yung pinakamasarap.
Yes, oo.
Diba? Na parang, am I missing out?
Gusto ko
dun
na
sa-
food metaphor talaga.
Yes, exactly. Hindi kasi, yun talaga yung iniisip ko na parang sa sobrang dami ng choices, parang nagkakaroon ka ng doubt sa sarili mo, ito na ba yung pinaka-best? Kasi baka meron pa eh. Tapos ayaw natin na pumili. And yun yung nangyayari sa situationship. Una sigurong tanong is, gusto mo ba talagang pumasok sa ganong klaseng relationship? Kasi, una sa lahat, kailangan niya ng label. Diba?
Yeah, madagdag ko lang ha. Kasi I've dated a lot. A lot? Ang payat ko doon. Hindi, pero I've used to date many guys before. Tas parang, I realized one thing na that's different from my current relationship now is that we have label. We have clarity. And so, even yung mga pinsan ko na lalaki, they would say na, if a guy really likes you, at least medyo female-centric to kinukwento ka, if a guy likes you, he would say it. Talaga. Like, he would give you a
Babakuran ng kanan
label.
niya.
Oo. Hindi ka niya bibigyan lang ng mixed signals or parang he'll leave you hanging. Pag gusto ka talaga niya, he'll be clear in his communication.
Yeah.
Can you attest to that?
Totoo, kasi syempre kung gusto mo exclusive na kayo, gusto mo yung tao, edi kunin mo na siya. Parang kapag sa tindahan, gusto mo yung food na yon, papatikman mo pa ba sa iba bago mo kunin ng buo? Di ba? Pizza. Pizza slice, gusto mo pa kagat kayo, tikman mo lahat. Oo.
Kapag gusto mo talaga.
Ano gusto mo? Tira-tira na lang sa'yo? Ganon.
Yeah. Gusto ko na food metaphor pa rin tayo.
Sa situationship, I think yung mga taong pumapasok dyan, sila yung mga tao na hindi pa talaga ready nga mag-commit fully. At the same time, type talaga nila physically, may physical attraction na present. Yun lang yun.
Na mababaw.
Mababaw lang.
Oo, mababaw.
LUST lang. Yun
Yeah,
lang.
so part din ng pagiging mature sa relationship is
Yeah.
realizing that this is a dead end.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that you deserve better. You deserve clarity.
Saka kung gusto mo ng stress, no, gusto mo ng spice sa life mo. Alam mo yan,
Thrill of the chase.
gusto mo talaga ng may thrill, no? Sige, go ka dyan. Pero hanggang kailan?
Oo nga, that's true.
Oo, kapag natikman ka na ng lahat, tapos yung tao na for you na pala, friend nila.
Hindi, pero-
Alam mo yun?
In my experience, yung mga friends ko na nasa situationship, sobrang lungkot nila kasi you know na the uncertainty that's actually what you don't want in a relationship.
Yeah.
That's
What
why,
if yung tao na nahanap mo na talaga for you, perfect na talaga for you, tapos nung pininasan ka na sa family niya, kamag-anak niya pala lahat ng ka-situationship mo before.
What?
Diba? Parang what? Ano to, reunion?
Plot twist.
may EB, no?
Grabe naman yun.
Meron kasing mga case na hindi mo ma-let go yung situationship Either ikaw yung hindi makapag-commit tapos another person is ready na.
Yeah.
So, malaki din talaga malaking factor din talaga yung benefit. Grabe no, sa age natin ngayon, lahat ng bagay parang lagi na lang iniisip ng isang tao, ano bang benefit ko dito sa sitwasyon na to?
Ganun talaga
Very
naman.
transactional. Very transactional. Ano.
Very transactional. So, merong iba na parang willing na ibigay yung benefit na gusto mo. Tapos yung iba naman, sobrang taker.
Yeah.
So, napakahirap umalis talaga sa isang situationship. Lalo na if hopeless romantic ka, yung iniisip mo na hindi magbabago naman siya.
So, very tricky navigate talaga yung situationship. And it's only a matter of time, or give yourself time to really realize if this is a dead end or not. Yan. Okay, so, next question naman. Okay, so this next question is actually an issue that gave birth to 1,000 scandals. Okay, it's about age gap. Okay, so does age gap matter in love? From Vic Soto to Juan Ponce Enrile, like,
Ganon
hanggang
level.
saan naabot ang age gap mo?